here to help him. Why don't you help me?
With what?
If I had 15 minutes, we'd drink tea, eat biscuits, I'd talk, you'd laugh, and we'd be on our way. Unfortunately, I don't. So, my offer is, come with me now and be at a chic little hotel in West Berlin in less than an hour. Or, stay here and spend the night with the Russians, hanging from a pipe, having your toenails removed. That is what I was looking for. Do you mind terribly if I borrow your car?
Could you pass me that brown paperback for my case, please?
Are they still following us?
Yes.
Is there one of them? Just hum if there is.
Hmm?
Is he looking at us?
Hmm?
Does he have just one hand on the steering wheel?
Mm-hmm.
When you hear something that sounds like a gunshot, drive.
Did you get it?
Let's just hope he doesn't drive as quickly as he moves.
I got news for you. He does.
Take a right. And then an immediate left. Nicely done.